Hello, this is Tori from Branscum Farm. These are new Marshmallow babies. We just bring them in. They're a little bit scared. One is just right here.
Let's look at them. How old are they?
They are 2 weeks old.
They have their eyes open.
Some of them have their eyes open. Some of them don't. And this one doesn't have their eyes open. These do. This one does. That one does. That one does. But this one doesn't, so.
This one doesn't. Yeah. Well, this one may have Nestbox eye on its little eye. So if you've never seen Nestbox eye, see how it's kind of matted up there? I will have to clean that with a Q-tip or with a wash rag, because that is right there. That is not a bad Nestbox eye, but at this age, they should have their eyes open. So I'll have to clean it. Will you go get me a baby wipe and I'll show them how we clean Nestbox eye?
Yep.
See, this one's eyes are open. That's a little chestnut. We got 2 little chestnuts. Here's another one. They're trying to get away. They've never been out of the nest. It's a built-in nest with their mommy. So there's another little chestnut. Say hi there. This is a black tort. So it's red, but it's called a black tort because if you look, it's kind of wiggling. But the bottom side is black. The ears are black. So
Hey, I want to do that. And to see Nestbox eye, you have to get a wash off that you have to put red water, that is cold water, and then dip it on their eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get so much, just a little.
Yeah. And you can also use baby wipes.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
No, they're not getting away.
You want to video mommy so I can clean its eye?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't put your hand in front of it. Like where it's...
So you do now you tear her down.
Alright, so this is a little red one. And I am just going to pat its little eye. It's going to be a little bit nervous and it may take a minute. But you're just going to take the wet washcloth and just pat their little eye. And see, it's a little nervous because it hasn't been handled as much. But you get your hands between its little self.
It's
You
okay.
kind of hold it still and keep it calm.
It's okay.
And you just rub it. You don't want to peel it apart. You just want to... It's like eye crusties at this point. It's not infected. But you want to try to get it open. If you don't catch it when it's early, then they can get really red and inflamed and start hurting. But we caught this one pretty early. And Nestbox eye can happen if their living conditions are not really sanitary. So if they're laying on top of each other and they're really pooping and peeing on each other, then that's a lot of times they'll get it. Or if you don't clean out the nest material. So it's been 2 weeks. I need to get out there and take all the nesting material out since it's an enclosed box. Can you see that, Carly? Are you being able to see it?
Yeah.
See how it's a little bit puffy, but it's starting to come open? Carly, keep on the rabbit. And I have some spray that I can get and put on there. It's antibiotic spray, but see how it's kind of puffy? So this poor little one is probably going to need some antibiotic spray. That way it doesn't get infected. If we hadn't have catch this, if we hadn't have brought it in, then this one could potentially not be able to see. So it's a good thing we caught it. So now that I've cleaned it pretty good, you can kind of see her eyes opening. You have to kind of pull, Carly, look, you're not videoing. You have to kind of pull it. It's not all the way open. So I gotta keep working on it.
Baba goes somewhere.
He's okay. The bathroom's shut, so he can't get in there. So, you gotta get the eyelashes. Oh,
He's starting the video.
it's okay.
He is building. I can't even see it now.
Point at the rabbit. Well, and this is part of our house here. We got... Bubba thinks he needs to be on top of Mommy. Alright, make sure you got the rabbit. But if you see, I've got it all cleaned. I need to get the... Are you filming on the rabbit?
Yeah.
Alright, so now you can kind of see... Stay still. The little rabbit's eyes a little bit open. Is he opening it?
Yeah, a little.
A little bit. So we need to... Hey, we got it fixed up. So we're going to need to get some antibiotic medicine. I have some antibiotic spray. And spray on its little eyeball. That way it is not going to get infected. And we'll have to check on this little one tomorrow and make sure it's okay. Because we don't want it to get infected any more than it already is. But that's a pretty good little red color. This one may be a keeper. I don't know. Don't get your hopes up. Anyways.
I like this one.
Which one?
This one.
That one.
Yeah. Actually, I like the other one. It's pretty nice.
Marshmallow had 6 little babies, so it looks like she had
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2 blacks, 2 chestnut, 1 red, and 1 black tort. So not a bad litter for her. Well, thank you for watching.
What? Branscum Farm. What's cupcake and rainbow?
No.
I...
Say thank you for watching Branscum Farm.
What?
That's what you're supposed to say.
I want to say that my stuff too.
Okay. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching Branscum Farm Cupcake and Rainbow.
Say God bless.
God bless.